I'm going to do a review about a Knight Rider KITT model in a 1/64 scale. This is actually a resin model. Now, normally I don't buy resin models, but I thought, hey, this is KITT, and on the photo it was pretty good looking. I have no idea what to expect. It's from the brand IM model. Don't have other models from that brand, so yes, let's see what we got. Here we got some text. Freeze the frame if you want to read it. Made in China. Yeah, we got a plastic package here. Nice protection case. And here we got a display case with a nice shiny 80s color package. You can also order this model with a Michael Knight figure. I didn't do it because I thought the figure looked kind of crappy. And I already have a very cool 1/64 Michael Knight figure, the half. Okay, what do we see here? Here we see the front lights, and you can choose to place the front lights up or with the front lights down. You decide. Okay, so here we got the model, and the first thing I see, we got details here on the dashboard, color details, and also in the middle. I like that. Also, the seats are very good looking. Yeah, and you can also see there are no lights yet. We're going to fix that in a couple of minutes. KITT Hero limited edition. 221 from the 299 pieces. Yes, I call that limited. We got a very cool license plate, California Knight. Not sure if that is also the original license plate. Well, we're going to compare this model with a couple of other Knight Riders. Maybe they have a license plate, who knows. Also, the front got lanced headlights and of course the red scanner. Wheels are looking very good to me. Rubber tires. No opening parts because it's a resin model. And it's also pretty high on the wheels. Well, it looks authentic to me. If you look at the one from Jada, that one is very low on the wheels, and I think it's not realistic. Now let's take it off the base. Let's see if we got some details on it. It's not a cheap model, so it's pretty expensive, and that's most of the time the case with resin models. They're pretty expensive. It has to do something with the mall or something. I'm not 100% sure. Yeah, plastic, but it got a lot of details. I like that. No rolling wheels. I think that's normal with a resin model. It's also pretty light. Definitely feel that it is resin. But the steering wheel looks a little bit weird to me, but I think it looks authentic. Can't see it that good. Let's zoom in a little bit. There we go. All those details are looking very cool. I like that. That makes this car a winner for me. What I don't like, this clear window here in the back. I thought the original one had some heating in the back, but I can't remember. It's been a long time. Okay, anyways, let's put the windows in it. Let's get that tape loose. Okay, there we go. See, open and close. You decide. Well, I decide to put the ones in that are closed. I'm using this tool right here. Not sure if there's a right or a left. I think you can just... okay, I think there is a right and a left, and this is the left one. Yeah. What am I doing? In front of the camera, please. Oh, this is a total disaster. Okay, I have to do it with my fingers. Okay, not too much pressure, because I'm afraid I can't get them out anymore. Or did I place it in the wrong direction? No, I think it has to be like this. I think I'm doing it right. Yeah. Just try the other side. No, it's right here. Okay, and let's take the other one. Do it again. There we go. But will I ever get them out again? I don't think so. Yeah, but actually this is the way I like it. I think this is cool. And here we got the ones that are open. That is not my style, so I'm going to keep it this way. Now let's compare it. First I'm going to put these here in dit zakje, so I won't lose them. Oh, by the way, here I've got the figure, the 164 figure. I bought this on AliExpress. It was available for a short time, and I never saw it again. I got one in 143, but in 164, I never saw it again on AliExpress, and I thought that was strange, you know. I was lucky. I got one, and I'm happy, and I think it's pretty good looking, and it was also very cheap. Then here I've got the one from Hot Wheels KITT, also with closed light. No details on the dashboard whatsoever. We do have a license plate, and I think this license plate looks a little bit better with the blue. This is dark blue, and this is light blue. And I like the light blue a little bit more. The wheels, definitely not authentic. Definitely not, definitely not. Okay, this is an older one. With the older one, believe it or not, it got tons of details on the dashboard. It's a little bit difficult to see, but even the main line, and I'm going to get it right now, back in a sec. And I'm back again. Okay, so what you see here, okay, this is an also premium. Here we got some details on the dashboard. Here we have a main line, no details. This is a main line from a while ago, and this one also has a sticker on the dashboard. Now I think placing a sticker on the dashboard is work that humans has to do, and that takes a lot of effort, and with effort comes money. So I think they skipped the sticker to save money. Oh, this is Oh. Here we also got a license plate, but it's a little bit damaged. But we can definitely see here that, oh, there is a sticker on the dashboard. I was wrong. I was wrong. Sorry. Yeah, and here it's also a sticker on the dashboard. It's with the main lines, they stopped putting stickers on it. Mainline Hot Pursuit. Yeah, here we have the KITT concept, KITT 2000. I think it's kind of cool looking. Not a big fan of KITT concept. I'm definitely someone that like the original version. So yeah, here we have KITT resin with KITT mainline. Yeah, those wheels are so cool. But I also like the Hot Wheel. It's definitely not bad. Yeah. The resin is looking a little bit better, of course, but you also pay a lot more money. Here it's in the pursuit mode. Is there also a resin version in the pursuit mode? No, I haven't seen it, but who knows? Maybe it comes pretty soon. And then I also have the one from Urtel still in the package. I found it on a local marketplace on a website. Very cool to have this one. And I also have the one from Takara Tomy Limit Knight Rider. Here it is. Let's take it out of the package. Wheels looks good. We even have an opening part. Steering wheel looks okay to me, but no sticker on the dashboard. Interior, okay. Same here. A very clear window with this one, but I think it's because of the interior, the color of the interior, that this is looking a little bit darker. And here we also have a license plate with only night on it, no California. Pretty cool car, plastic wheels by the way. Yeah, the out-tinted rims makes it a little bit better. Here it is. Racing kit with the Tommy kit. Yeah, I think this racing model is definitely a winner. If you look at all these kits on the table, you see a difference in length. Not bad. Okay, let me know. What is your favorite kit model in this table? What do you think about this racing model? Anyway, thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you next time in the new Diecast video. Have a nice day. Bye.